Good day guys, today I'm going to show you the LEATHERMAN Wave Plus. So here we have it now. Let me show you some of its features. So if you open this one, there you have a fine file, diamond file. Here's your rough file. There's a lock. All the LEATHERMAN tools have locks, so it can't close on you. Here's the lock, you press it, go close it. Here's the knife, very sharp knives, very strong blade. I bought this one second hand and it's still in very good condition. Here's another blade, a very rough blade for hard work. Here is your saw blade, very nice and sharp blade also. If you open it, it forms a plier and has a nice and sharp point, sharp nose plier. And here a little bit deeper you can grab nuts and round shafts with it. And there is your cutting edge for wire and stuff. And if you go to this side and you open it, you also have a lock. It locks here, and when you need to unlock it, press this one, then it opens and will be able to close then. So here you have 2 points on the side. This thing just wants to focus. So you have a flat screwdriver on this side. If you turn it around, it becomes a Phillips or star point, some people know it. Close it. The next tool is a can opener and a bottle opener. 2 tools in one. Unlock it, close it. Then let's go to the other side. If you go to this side, you have a bigger flat screwdriver. A little bit thicker one also than the small one. Oh, come on. Struggle to get out that. Then you have a small screwdriver. Also one with a Phillips star point. If you turn it around, you have a flat, very strong, small little screwdriver. Very handy for very small screws. Then last tool is a scissor, very sharp also. Very nice tool to have sometimes. And one modification I did to my LEATHERMAN, and this is how the normal sides look. I went and I polished the one side. Then you have a mirror also. Please go and like, share and subscribe to my channel if it's the first time you saw my channel. Thank you. Bye.